Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny and this is Texas Style Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. Got Eric here with me tonight. He's one of my interns this semester. He's going to be doing a dish for you. I tell you what, he's got something fancy coming up. We're going to do some little neck clams and a parsley infused fettuccine with a garlic and lemon wine sauce. And I think it's going to be fantastic, so stick around. This really could be a camping recipe. So tonight we're going to use our little camp stove. We started doing it over charcoal, but just time-wise and the wind's blowing like a summer gun today, so we decided to go ahead and use this little portable stove. So it'll mimic what we're doing if we were camping. It would work for a great camping recipe, kind of elegant, but you and the wife could have a great meal or something like that in the evening. So let's see what we're going to do first, Eric.
Put some lemon butter in the pan.
All right, so we got about half a stick of butter. And we're going to put, what, a couple of tablespoons of
lemon infused olive oil.
Okay, lemon infused olive oil. We're going to let that start getting hot. Melt that butter up. And I think we're gonna do some sauteing, right? Just kind of get our sauce going.
Saute some garlic.
Use this this pan right here is probably older than Eric and I both put together. It's been around a while. This was my grandmother's chicken fryer. So we thought it'd be a good thing to do our clams in tonight.
I'm gonna get my red pepper flake so it can get infused with the oil so it gives all the nice flavors that it brings. Get it nice and infused so it have a little spice, so it's not just acidic.
And we've got what, about a 3/4 of a teaspoon, about 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chili flakes.
Adding about the zest of about 1 lemon.
Zest of 1 lemon. And how much garlic you put in?
About 4 cloves.
We'll turn our fire down a little bit. It's getting hot. We don't want to burn that. That garlic will get bitter on you if you burn it, so we don't want to do that. Go in with our clams.
Going on with our clams.
We're going to add some white wine to this. I think I said red a while ago, but it's a white wine coming in on top. Maybe I go ahead and just do it all. Maybe let them dump it all in. So we've got what, about 3/4 of a cup of that, maybe. Just what was left in the bottom of that. And we're going to add the
some
juice.
lemons.
Okay. Probably one lemon.
And some chives. About a half a teaspoon of chives. Let that get a nice color.
We're going to heat this up, and you're going to start seeing these clams. They're going to start popping open here in a minute. Once they start getting hot, that muscle will turn loose, and you'll see them popping. And they're going to be real pretty. And I tell you what, this is a good little stove. If you've never seen one of these iwatanis, I have them in my Amazon store, so you can check the link below. But these are the ones that have the little wind guard on them, and they're a higher BTU. But they're very nice, stainless steel. Work really well for camping or just outside. I use them out here in the outdoor kitchen all the time. And I have used them as an extra in the house sometimes also. Turn it down just a little bit.
We're going to cook these for about 5 to 6 minutes. You'll eventually see them popping.
Oh, I heard one. One just, whoop. You can hear them you can hear them pop when they start going.
It smells really good right now. It smells really good. A little bit of the lemon zest, a little bit of the olive oil gives it a real nice touch. You can smell the little bit of the white wine reducing, and you smell the alcohol. You see all the steam right here?
So that's burning off the alcohol in our wine. And we're going to want to take this down until we'll take it down until they all pop, and it may not reduce half, but it'll be close. Let's add a little bit more of our chives in there. We got a lot of chives for just a garnish at the end to kind of put on. I think we can use some more of them in there. Boy, it's got a real nice aroma to it. You smell that wine, you smell that garlic, it's still got the lemony flavor to it. This right side, some of them are starting to open up on. The wind's blowing this way, so it's heating up this side more. So I think we're gonna just take this and turn it a little bit. Let it get some heat on that other side, so the other ones will get a little bit hotter.
clams look quite amazing. See a couple of them popping. We're almost ready to put in our noodles. And make sure your flavors are going to be really good. A little bit of the red chili flake, a little bit of the garlic, some lemon. The lemon zest is going to give it a nice aroma. The white wine is going to make it magnificent.
I'm going to taste it just a little bit, see if it needs to add adjust the spices in it. I think it's maybe a little bit more salt. It's got a nice little amount of heat to it. I think a whole teaspoon would have been a little bit too much for most people. All right, I'm going to turn this down real low, and we're going to dump in our pasta right on top of our clams. Put that in. And I tell you, this was a, what was this called? Al dente, right? Was the brand. He got this at the marketplace, HEB marketplace today. And we pre-cooked it.
You get a lot of good flavors from the garlic. The pasta has lots of garlic flavor and has lots of parsley flavor. And then the noodles are amazing.
Yeah, the fettuccine, right? The fettuccine was just excellent today. And really all we're doing now is just reheating our pasta. Okay, now we're going to get our pasta out. I'm going to move my stove out of the way. Move it to the side. Eric's picked out a blue plate. It's going to go really nice with the contrast of the white and the yellows and the greens that's in the dish. To give more color to it, we'll put it on this blue platter.
I'll garnish it with a little bit of chives to give it a nice color.
We probably had, what, 3 tablespoons to start off with, something like that?
Yes, sir.
Add a little more pop to it with that green.
Give it a nice little earthy flavor. That'd be magnificent.
Here you go. We're going to get these to try. So what I'm going to try first is I'm going to try one of these clams. It's the first thing I want to try. And it's full of that wine sauce. Very good. Very good. I tell you what, I love clams, so that is an excellent, excellent dish. Got a lot of flavor to it. You can taste the wine, you can taste the lemon and the garlic. So Eric, come on, jump in there. This was your dish, so.
I want to taste the pasta first, see how it came out. That's outstanding. That's really great. I want to taste a little bit of the clam, a little bit of white wine sauce.
Let me try this pasta.
To make sure flavors combines, a little bit of spice, the garlic, the parsley in the pasta. It really works out great.
Yeah, the parsley really does set off that pasta.
What do you think, Chef?
Oh, great. So there you have it. Easy to do, quick meal. Impress somebody at home in the evenings. Would go very, very good for that. And even like I said, we could do this camping. We were going to do it over some charcoal tonight, but just with the wind whipping through here, we decided not to. But this would be something easy to do that you could do just about anywhere to impress the people that you're with. So it was a very, very good dish. So Eric did a great job. Again, he's one of my interns. I had him in his first freshman year of college. He was in my basic food prep class. He did a great job in that. He's been cooking in San Antonio since he was in high school. And now he's fixing to graduate from the culinary school, and I tell you what, he's doing a great job. You graduate this semester?
I graduate in about 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So 2 weeks, he's going to be out on the town, and he's going to be cooking still. But anyways, it was a great job. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give Eric and I a thumbs up. We always do appreciate that. Remember to share this around, hit your notification bell so you know when we put up new videos. Tell your friends and family about us, and we'll see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.